Do you think there is an
No,
attempt by the government
I
to
don't want to
convey
talk about
that?
it. We are very proud of Operation Sindoor. It was conducted by the three armed forces, the Indian Navy and the Air Force, and they've done an exemplary job. I think our armed forces are amongst the best in the world, most professional, most dedicated, and the love for our motherland. I think the Indian Army, Indian Armed Forces are actually probably the best in the world. So I don't want to comment about the government policies on how to take this forward. But I can assure you that all of India stands behind the Operation Sindoor and the armed forces.
सचिन जी, जो डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प बार बार कारोबारी रिश्तों का हवाला दे रहे हैं, वो क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं? क्या कारोबार सारी चीज़ों के ऊपर वरीयता रखता है क्या?
देखिए, मैं समझता हूँ कि वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड बायलैटरल रिलेशंस, national security, integrity, border disputes, etc., cannot be equated with deals. The obsession of talking in terms of deals is something that's unacceptable to us as a 1.4 billion nation. How can you compare our integrity, our sovereignty, our border security, our terror attacks on our innocent citizens with some deals? It's incomprehensible. It's unacceptable. And I think we must refute that statement at the highest levels in government. It's okay for the MEA spokesperson to say what he says, and I think there's nothing wrong in it. But the clarification, the refusal must come from the highest levels. Because this is for the third time that President Trump is carrying on saying that he brokered a ceasefire, he announced it, and now he's saying the reasons why the ceasefire came about is because of some trade deals that he wanted to strike, which is, I think, completely unacceptable.
Sir, you talked about those people who carried out allegedly the Pahalgam massacre. Do you think the purpose of this Operation Sindoor is yet unfulfilled?
No, I think the Air Force has already said, the government also says that the Operation Sindoor is still ongoing. So I have full faith in our men in uniform. The DGMO has also clarified that they will do whatever needs to be done. So I fully respect and I fully support the decisions, the wisdom and the actions of the Indian Armed Forces.
बीजेपी की सांसद हैं चंद्रा रनौत, सीज फायर के अगले दिन उन्होंने यही जयपुर में पाकिस्तानी गाने पर डांस किया और उसको खुद सोशल मीडिया पर पोस्ट।
मुझे इस बारे में कुछ नहीं कहना है।
सर, सीरिया पर भी अमेरिका ने प्रतिबंध जो है वो हटाया काफ़ी लंबे समय के बाद। तो क्या यहाँ एशिया में कह सकते हैं कि अमेरिका अपना रौब जमाता हुआ नजर आता है?
आप इतिहास देख लीजिए, भारतवर्ष ने आज़ादी से लेकर आज तक कभी भी अग्रेशन की पॉलिसी नहीं अपनाई है। अपने नेबरहुड में हम लोग हमेशा महात्मा गांधी का देश है, अहिंसा में विश्वास करते हैं। वी बिलीव इन नॉन वायलेंस, वी आर पीस लविंग, डेमोक्रेटिक, फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग, लिबरल कंट्री। वी हैव नेवर